Okay. If you ever counter yourself with this type of normal errors, like in this section, the normals are flipped inside, but on the other hand, on these ones, the normals are okay. So we can't select each of the black ones and reverse everything. It will be a very time consuming thing. So instead, what we can do, select our mesh in Maya, then go to mesh display, set conform. After that, we set our normal to face, and then we just have to reverse it. Yeah, that's it. You see, this is a very quick fix for this type of errors, and all the normals are on the right locations now.